we had quite a few comments on trying to adjust that or make the clutch assist work better. Whatever I did, it was still just far too tight to pull the clutch handle as it was, That now, that's on the top slot where your foot clutch would go. And basically, I found a website, an American website, and what it is, your outer clutch plate, it's got the 3 adjusting screws.
Yeah.
When it pulls in and out when the bike's running, you can see it wobbling all over the place.
Right.
So that will cause drag. You have to fine tune those 3 nuts. You set them at 1 inch and 1/32 away from the internal plate to the external plate. But I just fine tuned it so when it was running, tweak the nuts a little bit, turn it off, tweak the nuts a little bit, start it up again. So that is actually pulling out dead even.
Okay.
And that made an awful lot of difference to it. So no drag there at all. So that now, it's not dragging at all when you ride it, and that's your clutch, just nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
So all that thing you fabricated
didn't really work. All it made, to be honest with you, was it harder to pull that clutch handle.
Okay.
But that, because you get so much movement on a foot clutch, that wobbling around on the end is irrelevant because you've gone past the point where it's ever going to bind. But because you're finite on when that is releasing, fine tuning those 3 nuts, it made a world of difference to it. So yeah, it rides now, it's fine, goes in and out of gear, everything.
Some of the comments, one of the guy, original Bop 5225, said, "As a random thought, would a spring either pushing or pulling the central pivot lever act as an assister?" Yeah,
I did think about that. Hopefully that would ease that pressure up. But as I say, I've found an American website, I can't remember what it was now, and it was all about clutches and, you know, putting different gearboxes in and doing this, doing that. But fine tuning the 3 bolts on there really made a difference, because normally you just set them at your 1 inch and 1/32. That's it, game over, because you've got enough draw on the foot clutch to make sure it isn't dragging. But that, I would imagine you'd have to keep on top of it, to be fair, you know, keep adjusting it as your cable stretches or whatever. But realistically, once it's set, you should be able to just take all your slack up on the centre bolt. But like I say, it's fine now, you just bang it in at first.
It's nice and easy, isn't it?
Start up. Yeah, so there's no drag there at all.
There's another guy, 5Ola, says, "Can a mousetrap assist be used to aid the lever?" Yes,
could do. But I don't know, I've never mounted one on a WL frame, but yeah, you could use a mousetrap, no reason why not.
Martin Paulson 9815 said, "Just wondering how the bloke's going to shift gears while riding with no foot clutch."
Like that.
With difficulty.
Watch Troy Corsa at Goodwood on a supercharged BMW.
Yeah.
He rides it like he's stolen it, and he's riding it like that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, doing like 120 mile an hour on it or something stupid.
Let's see if he downshifts the same way. Yes, he does! Look at that! Incredible!
Tamarisk Zero said, "The only way I thought I would do a replacement foot clutch setup was marrying an M20 gearbox with a conventional foot change."
Yeah, a lot of people put different gearboxes in these. Yeah, 4-speed British boxes. Yeah, it's quite a common thing done in America.
Gaza1286, would a travel agent be any use? These are used on bikes with V-brakes and alter the cable pull ratio using a metal disc cam arrangement. Ever heard of that?
I've never heard of it personally, no, but but in theory what he's saying sounds like yes, it would work. No, but I've never heard of one, to be perfectly honest with you.
But it all works and all looks good?
Yeah, rides nice.